Hello everybody. Let's now do a couple problems using our portion base rate equation. Here's one. What is 25% of 125? Well, let's draw our diagram. We've got portion, rate, and base. First of all, again, the portion, the percent is always pretty simple. It jumps right out at us. That's 25%. But here's the trickiest part of all these problems. Which is the portion and which is the base? Well, if you think about this one, they want 25% of something. They want a portion, a part of it. Well, we're looking for the portion, that tells us. So the base has got to be 125. So what's our equation? Let's see. We're looking for portion, and I can tell from my diagram that portion equals rate times base. And now I can just fill in the quantities. Portion equals rate, 25%, times the base, 125. However, that 25% is going to cause trouble, and so I'm going to convert that, because as I said in an earlier video, we want to convert all percents to the decimal version for making calculations. So let's see, I know I have to divide this percent by 100 or move 2 decimal places to the left, and I'll do that. That's 0.25 times 125. Now I'm going to grab my calculator, and I haven't talked about calculators, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit and show you the one that I recommend that you might want to get if you don't have a calculator. This is a TI-30XS Multiview. I think I paid $15 for it. Maybe it was $12. It wasn't a whole lot. But with this calculator, you can do a lot. This will take you a long way. So let's see. What's my equation? I have to multiply what? 25 or 0.25 times 125. I turn it on. I hit clear, and I go 0.25 times 125. There's my answer, 31.25. Did I do the same equation that the book has? I guess so. Equals 31.25. One thing I like about this calculator is things don't go away. You can see what you put in. 0.25 of 125 gives me my 31.25. Here's another problem. 33.6 is what percent of 96? Well, let's see. We got portion, rate, and base. 33 is what percent? Well, we're looking for percent this time. So again, we got to decide which is portion, which is base. 33% is what percent? That's sounding like portion. Yep, sure is. So our portion is 33.6. Our base is 96. Now in this case, we're solving for rate. So our diagram says we write rate is equal to portion over base. Let's put in the numbers. Let's see. Portion is 33.6. Our base is 96. We pull out our calculator and we say 33.6 divided by 96 is equal to 0.35. Well, that's an okay answer. I'd accept that answer. Will we on a test? I don't know. I guess it depends if they ask us to write it as a percent or leave it decimal. Let's assume we want it as a percent. So what do? We multiply by 100, or we move 2 decimal places to the right. What's that equal to? I'm falling off the page here, sorry. 35%. Okay, let's do one more. 47. Move up. Is 38% of what number? Running out of space. Okay, let's draw our diagram. Whoopsie, got carried away. Portion, rate, and base. What do we have? Well, right away the rate jumps out. We got 38%. Move up a little bit more. Okay. Let's see, we got 47 is 38% of what number? Sounds like 47 is a portion or a part of some what number. So that's our 47. We need to solve our portion equation for base. So we write base is equal to portion over rate. Portion over rate. And let's fill in our values. Let's see, portion is 47 over rate. And now our rate, again, when we're making calculations, it's got to be the decimal version. So let's see, I need to divide that by 100 or move 2 decimal places to the left. That makes 0.38. Now we do the math with our fancy calculator, and we type clear, and 47 divided by 0.38 is equal to 123.7. 123.7. Voila, the portion equation. I got more.